Hello students, in this video we find the roots of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So these roots are minus b plus r minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. These roots we are going to prove in this video. Now proof will come like this. So what is a given quadratic equation is here? Quadratic equation is given ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is given. So what we have to find? The roots. I will take let alpha is a root. Alpha is a root of this given quadratic equation. Now it will become a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0 will come here. Okay. So this will come where I am taking as a alpha is a root. Okay. So a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. So for this I am adding both sides. Both sides I am multiplying with 4a. So why I am multiplying with 4a means here what we have to find 4ac now. So that's why I am trying to multiply here with the 4a. So 4a into so 4a into a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0 will come, because both sides now here we multiply with the 4a, so it 0 into 4a it will become 0. That's why I took as a 0 here. Now I will multiply with this 4a into alpha square. 4a square alpha square will come here, plus here 4ab alpha will come here. Again here 4 into c, 4a into c, 4ac is equal to 0 will be come like this, the equation. And here other thing b square is also we have to find the root of this one. So we have to prove now. So I will add both sides, adding both sides b square of the b square to the equation. This is square. Okay. So here 4a square alpha square plus 4ab alpha plus 4ac plus b square is equal to b square. This is 2 here. Some people are thinking as z. So this is 2. Now here I will take the common, or else we'll do one thing here. I'm telling, watch neatly. So this first step I will take it as 2a alpha whole square. Okay, it will become 4a square, alpha square will come here, this will, okay. And from this I'm writing plus 2 into here, this 2 into 2a alpha is there, 2a, again 2a alpha I'm taking into, so this is b here, b. So I will write neatly here, I will erase it and I will write neatly. So here I'm making it as a plus b in a square plus 2ab plus b square, like that. So it will 2a alpha into b will come, plus this is b square is there, so b square I will write here, and plus 4ac is there, 4ac is equal to b square will come here. Okay. So this total will become 2a alpha plus b whole square, like this come, and other thing plus 4ac will be there is equal to b square will be there. So okay. So this is next step. Here I will bring this 4ac to the right side of the equation, and it will become 2a alpha plus b whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac will come. Okay na? So this root is there na, I will send to the right side of the equation. It will become root, means it will become 2a alpha plus b is equal to, what will come here, root will goes there, to plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac will come here, and I will send b to the right side of the equation. It will become 2a alpha is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac will come here. Okay. So what we have got here, so 2a alpha is equal to 2a alpha is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac we got, no? So from this I am sending this 2a to the right side of the equation, and it will become in the multiplication, no? So it will go to the right side of the equation, it will become divide. So alpha is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a will come. So these are the roots of the given what is given quadratic equation. So what are the roots? We'll write, okay, two roots, that alpha is equal to minus b plus or minus means once we can take it as b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and another minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we can take it as 2a. So like this, 2 what will come? Factors. So this is about the uh, theorem. The roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are these two roots. So this is end of this session. Thank you guys.